Have you ever wondered why you only see kangaroos in Australia or polar bears in the Arctic? It's all about something called an ecological niche. Think of it as an organism's job and address all rolled into one. It's not just where a species lives, but also what it eats, how it behaves, and what role it plays in its environment. Every single species, from the tiniest bacterium to the largest blue whale, has its own unique niche. This is nature's ultimate organizing system, ensuring everyone has their own space and purpose. So it makes ecosystems so complex and fascinating. Now, once these species have their niches, they don't just live in isolation. They interact with each other in all sorts of dramatic and surprising ways. One of the most classic interactions is predation. This is the ultimate life-or-death drama of the natural world. A lion chasing a gazelle, a spider trapping a fly, or even a Venus flytrap snapping shut on an unsuspecting insect. In this relationship, one organism, the predator, hunts and kills another, the prey. It might sound brutal, but predation is crucial for a healthy ecosystem. It controls populations, weeds out weaker individuals, and drives the incredible evolution of both predators and prey, leading to amazing adaptations like camouflage, speed, and venom. But not all interactions are so cutthroat. Let's talk about mutualism, which is nature's version of a win-win partnership. This is where two different species team up, and both of them benefit. A classic example is the bee and the flower. The bee gets sweet nectar to eat, and in the process, it carries pollen from one flower to another, helping the plants reproduce. Or think about the clownfish in the sea anemone. The clownfish gets a safe, stinging home, and in return, it cleans the anemone and scares away its predators. These partnerships are everywhere, showing that cooperation can be just as powerful as competition. Next up, we have a more one-sided but harmless relationship called commensalism. In this scenario, one species benefits, and the other one isn't really affected at all. It's neither helped nor harmed. Imagine a bird building a nest in a tree. The bird gets a sturdy, safe place to raise its young, but the tree is pretty much indifferent. It doesn't gain anything, but it doesn't lose anything either. Another great example is a remora fish hitching a ride on a shark. The remora gets free transportation and snacks on the shark's leftovers, while the shark probably doesn't even notice its little passenger. It's like having a roommate who pays no rent but also doesn't make a mess. Finally, we arrive at the dark side of dependency, parasitism. This is where one organism, the parasite, lives on or inside another organism, the host, and harms it in the process. Unlike a predator, a parasite usually doesn't want to kill its host, at least not right away, because it needs the host to survive. Think of a tick feeding on a dog's blood, a tapeworm living in an animal's intestines, or the cuckoo bird, which lays its eggs in another bird's nest, tricking the host parent into raising its young. It's a fascinating, albeit slightly creepy, survival strategy that highlights the incredible diversity of life on our planet. So, from the job description of a niche, to the dramatic interplay of predation, mutualism, commensalism, and parasitism, the natural world is a complex stage of relationships. Every interaction, whether it's a fight for survival or a friendly partnership, weaves together to create the balanced, vibrant ecosystems we see all around us. Understanding these connections is key to appreciating the delicate web of life. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed learning about nature's intricate network, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.